So over here on the top right, you can see that I have my profile picture right here. So this is basically the Google profile picture that I'm using. And if you want to change up your profile picture, you can simply click on the camera icon right here. And over here, you can click on change. So once you do that, you can go around, select out a photo from Google Photos right here, upload it out, or take a picture from your camera. So I'm just going to go around onto Google Photos, and here you can see that there are some photos right here that I can use. So I'm just going to go around and choose this photo right here. You can resize out to select out the portion of the photo just like this. And then you can click save as profile picture. And what happens is that it gets updated out as your profile picture right here. So you can press got it right here. And if you want to see your profile page right here, what you can simply do is you can refresh it out. So once you refresh out chat, you can see the profile picture right here, as you can see. And that is how you can change out your Google profile picture right from Google Chats. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.